In your reading, you learned about the impact that humans have on the environment and how the changing environment impacts our health. Today we will discuss the health benefits associated with spending time outside in a thriving environment. A great deal of study and research confirms that nature benefits well-being in many ways. Let's immerse ourselves in why being outside is important to your health. Spending time in nature relieves stress in both teens and adults. Bloodstream levels of the stress hormone cortisol are lowered after time spent outside. For a group of male students in China, those who spent their break from school hiking and camping returned with lower cortisol levels than those who spent time in the city. And these lower cortisol levels persisted for several days after the retreat to the wilderness. These results suggest regular trips outdoors are a reliable way to manage stress. Even better, experiences in nature are low cost and accessible to everyone. Your immune system works best when challenged regularly. That doesn't happen when we spend time indoors. A 2010 study in Japan found that a 3-day trip to the forest increased the number of white blood cells in the body. White blood cells are crucial to your immune system. They help your body battle germs by recognizing pathogens and harmful intruders with the help of antibodies. And the study showed that white blood cells remained elevated for more than 30 days after the outdoor adventure. Spending time in nature can enhance attention. The attention and focus of children with ADHD can be improved by spending 20 minutes walking in a park. The same effects can be seen in adults. Taking a break from work outdoors can increase productivity and concentration. Even an office with a view of nature can have a positive impact. Creative problem solving and cognitive function can be boosted by nearly 50% after spending several days exploring the outdoors. Gardening is a great way to increase your time outdoors. Not only does gardening keep you active, it provides you with access to healthy fruits and vegetables on a regular basis. When growing your own fruits and vegetables, you have more control over the soil quality and additives in your food. When we are outside, our bodies slow down, helping us to feel peaceful and calm. Spending time in nature can lower blood pressure, reduce heart rate, and decrease cortisol levels. Our minds react similarly. Spending time outside improves mood and reduces feelings of anxiety. We can focus better in nature, and our improved concentration can help us address feelings of stress and anxiety. Self-esteem can also receive a boost from spending time outdoors. Exercising outside offers beautiful views, fresh air, and can provide you with all of the benefits of nature as well as help you to maintain a healthy weight. Remember that walking a mile burns about 100 calories, and every half hour of bike riding burns about 372 calories. Find an outdoor activity that you enjoy and soak up the benefits. There is growing evidence that both short-term and working memory can be improved by time spent outside. At the University of Michigan, a simple experiment backed this theory. 2 groups of students were given a memory test and then assigned to take a walk through a garden or down a city street. After their walks, the participants performed the memory test again. Those who walked through the garden improved their scores by 20%. No consistent improvement was observed in the participants who walked in the city. Natural scenery and garden views calm our minds and help us focus. Urban settings are full of traffic, street noise, lights, and lots of people. These things pull our attention in several directions. This makes it hard to sharpen our focus and recall things we just learned. Pondering new information in a peaceful, natural setting may help enhance your short-term memory. Nature could be the ticket to remembering names, not forgetting your keys, and taking better notes in class. A study following Australian schoolchildren linked time spent outside with better vision. Of the 2,000 children followed during the study, those who spent more time playing outside significantly reduced their risk of becoming nearsighted. This suggests that outdoor activity has a protective effect on the eyes of children. These results are striking because the same was not observed in children who spent time playing indoor sports. Being outside in fresh air and sunlight protects growing eyes more than equal physical activity indoors. Dim indoor lighting makes it difficult for young eyes to focus on an image. This causes the eye to change shape in order to see clearly. The ample light of outdoors keeps kids' eyes from working harder than they need to. The same goes for adults. When encouraging playtime and exercise, take the fun outside and protect your eye health. A 2015 study followed over 100,000 American women to determine the relationship between nature and longevity. Women who lived near parks, lawns, trees, and forests had significantly lower mortality than women living far from nature. These results held regardless of urban or rural settings. The longer life expectancy associated with living near vegetation could be caused by several factors. Air quality is known to increase longevity and is better in areas of more dense vegetation. Being close to parks and nature trails can encourage more frequent exercise, which helps maintain heart health. Time spent outside also increases social engagement and can improve mental health. Whatever the exact cause, getting outdoors will help you live healthier and longer. And that's the ultimate reason why being outside is important. Lots of compelling reasons to spend time outside each day and to take steps to protect our natural environment. Be sure to take time to view the videos that take a different look at the environment and check out your ecological footprint.